Management Information Systems. Management Information Systems, MIS, refers to a structured framework that integrates technology, people, and processes to support decision-making, coordination, analysis, and control within an organization. It is primarily designed to facilitate the efficient collection, processing, storage, and dissemination of information necessary for effective management. MIS acts as the backbone of modern businesses by ensuring that managers have access to accurate and timely data for strategic, tactical, and operational planning. Key components of MIS. MIS consists of three fundamental components, namely people, technology, and processes. People include the end users, system administrators, and IT professionals who interact with the system. Technology encompasses hardware, like servers, computers, and networks, software, such as databases, enterprise applications, and analytics tools, and communication systems. Processes define the methodologies and workflows for collecting, processing, and delivering information. Together, these components enable organizations to transform raw data into meaningful insights. So, why MIS is needed? MIS is essential because it bridges the gap between raw data and actionable knowledge, enabling managers to make well-informed decisions. In today's competitive environment, organizations deal with large volumes of data that need to be organized and analyzed. MIS provides a systematic approach to handle this complexity, ensuring data integrity, accessibility, and relevance. It also helps monitor and improve organizational performance by providing insights into areas such as resource allocation, process efficiency, and market trends. Benefits of MIS. MIS offers several advantages to organizations. It enhances decision-making by providing real-time, accurate, and relevant information. It improves productivity by automating routine tasks and streamlining workflows. MIS supports strategic planning by offering predictive insights and scenario analysis. Additionally, it fosters better communication and collaboration across departments by centralizing data and creating a unified information-sharing platform. Ultimately, MIS contributes to cost reduction and improved efficiency, providing a competitive edge in the market. Applications of MIS. MIS has a wide range of applications across various industries and functions. In finance, it supports budgeting, forecasting, and risk analysis. In supply chain management, MIS optimizes inventory levels, tracks shipments, and analyzes supplier performance. Human resources departments use MIS for employee management, payroll processing, and performance tracking. Marketing teams leverage MIS for customer relationship management, market analysis, and campaign monitoring. In healthcare, it is used for patient record management and operational planning. These examples highlight how MIS adapts to diverse organizational needs. Types of MIS. MIS can be broadly categorized into several types, each tailored to specific organizational functions and decision-making needs. These systems work in harmony to provide a comprehensive view of an organization's operations and facilitate effective management. Transaction Processing Systems, TPS, are the foundational type of MIS designed to handle the day-to-day operations of an organization. They focus on collecting, processing, and storing routine transactional data such as sales, payments, orders, and payroll. TPS ensures accuracy and efficiency in high-volume data processing and serves as a data source for other MIS systems. Examples include point-of-sale systems and online banking platforms. Decision Support Systems, DSS, assists managers in making non-routine, complex, or semi-structured decisions. It uses data from internal sources such as TPS and databases and external sources such as market trends and economic indicators to perform analysis. DSS includes tools for modeling, simulation, and what-if scenario analysis, helping managers explore alternatives and their potential outcomes. Examples include financial planning systems and risk assessment tools. Executive Information Systems (EIS), also known as Executive Support Systems, is designed for senior executives to provide a high-level overview of organizational performance. It presents summarized information from various sources through dashboards, charts, and key performance indicators commonly known as KPIs. EIS helps executives monitor trends, identify issues, and make strategic decisions without delving into granular details. Examples include corporate performance dashboards and strategic planning tools. Management Reporting Systems (MRS) generates periodic, on-demand, and ad hoc reports to assist in monitoring and evaluating organizational activities. These reports are usually summarized, structured, and focused on specific areas like sales performance, financial summaries, or production efficiency. MRS helps middle management track progress and align activities with organizational goals. Enterprise Resource Planning Systems (ERP) integrate various organizational functions such as finance, human resources, supply chain, and manufacturing into a unified system. They facilitate seamless data flow across departments, ensuring consistency and eliminating redundancies. ERP systems are critical for streamlining operations, improving collaboration, and maintaining real-time visibility into business processes. Examples include SAP, Oracle ERP, and Microsoft Dynamics. Knowledge Management Systems (KMS) focuses on the creation, sharing, and management of organizational knowledge and expertise. These systems store and provide access to documents, best practices, training materials, and other knowledge assets, fostering innovation and continuous improvement. Examples include intranet portals, collaborative platforms like Microsoft SharePoint, and knowledge repositories. Customer Relationship Management (CRM) systems are tailored for managing and analyzing customer interactions and relationships throughout the customer life cycle. They help organizations improve customer service, retain clients, and drive sales growth by leveraging data on customer preferences, behaviors, and feedback. Examples include Salesforce, HubSpot, and Zoho CRM. Supply Chain Management (SCM) systems optimize the flow of goods, information, and finances across the supply chain. They assist in demand forecasting, inventory management, logistics planning, and supplier coordination. SCM systems are critical for reducing operational costs and ensuring timely delivery of products. Examples include SAP SCM and Oracle SCM Cloud. Human Resource Management Systems (HRMS) are designed to manage an organization's human capital efficiently. They support functions like recruitment, payroll, performance management, training, and employee records management. Examples include Workday and Bamboo HR. To summarize, Management Information Systems are a vital tool for organizations to manage their information effectively and drive strategic growth. By integrating people, technology, and processes, MIS transforms data into actionable insights, enabling better decision-making, enhanced productivity, and improved organizational performance. Its diverse applications across industries showcase its flexibility and significance in addressing various business challenges. In an era where information is power, MIS serves as the cornerstone of modern management practices.